Hello, so this is WF7I Homebrew. My name is Bert, and I have located to a new location here. This is a new home and a new shack, a lot of new stuff. Most of my radio equipment is the same, but I am upgrading the antennas and working on that right now. It took a long time to get things set up here, so I have not recorded a video since I think it was April. Still in the process of putting antennas up outside, and still in the process really of kind of getting some things put together with this new house, and that's really what's been sort of holding things up. I had no internet connection for about 3 months after I moved in here in May. So that's been a challenge. Couldn't really do much videos unless I just shot it with my phone. And so we're just kind of working on getting things put together here. My hope is to get a few videos here and there, but I can't guarantee any kind of schedule. And I'm not sure what my plans are really for the channel. It's just kind of right now just for fun, some videos here and there. I did notice one video I did a while back got like 4,000 views, which I really was surprised. That's kind of exciting. So I think there is a demand for these videos, for doing radio videos and for talking about electronics and things like that. So I do plan to get back to it, but I just don't know. Probably won't be really until next year, to be honest with you, before you start seeing more regular videos here. But I do appreciate the support, appreciate some of the subscriptions. I noticed some subscribers were added to the channel here in the last few months, so thank you for that. This channel is not monetized, so I'm not collecting any money from these videos right now. This is purely just for entertainment, for fun. I may choose to monetize it eventually. I haven't really decided yet. For those of you who may have joined from seeing me or seeing a referral from the Shortwave Listeners channel, Gilles in Montreal, I've been participating a lot over there, and so you might see me over there as WF7I Homebrew. And so it was nice of him to give me that little boost a while ago, and I'm not sure I'm going to do the same kind of videos he does. I like to do more like more tinkering videos, electronics videos, maybe some antenna videos. I'm not really going to do much listening on the bands or radio reviews, I don't think. But anyway, like I said, probably in the next few months, maybe sometime middle next year, I'll probably be doing a little bit more, I hope. I think my next video coming up here will probably be just to kind of show my antenna outside. I think it's kind of cool to look at that. So when the weather's nice, probably go out there and we can see my antenna. So it's right now it's a 160 meter full wave loop. It's only about 15 feet high. So it's about, how many meters is that? Maybe 3 meters, 3 meters? No, more than that. 5 meters. Yeah, 5 meters high. And so it's 160 meters of wire, basically. Well, it's 160 meters on a how big is it? So it's a full wave at 160. So yes, it's about 160 meters total of wire, I believe. I could be wrong. It might be a little longer. But anyway, I use it down on 160. I use it on 80, 40. I use it on all the bands. And I've got it fed with 300 ohm cable. And it goes to an antenna tuner, which is back over on this. You see where my finger is pointing, kind of over there, a little box right there. That's the tuner, and does a really good job. I'm only running 100 watts from a Kenwood TS2000. I've got a few other radios here, kit radios that I might put back on the air, low power things that I do for fun. And that's the shack here. So, and I may also go back and do some eventually, some summits on the air. So that's all portable work, going up to mountaintops, doing some low power. I really enjoyed doing that. Again, with the house, with the move, with COVID, with everything going on, I that's all just really gone by the wayside right now. But my hope is to really kind of get back engaged with everything going into next year. I want to do some major antenna upgrades here on this new property, and kind of get prepared for as we go into the new solar peak, as the sunspots start to increase. I want to have a really good station put together so I can make a lot of contacts. I think that's going to be one of my focuses. Still going to do the electronics and the tinkering in the building, but I really want to get into doing some more operating. So with that, I think I'm going to say 73s. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for adding to my subscriber base, and stay tuned. I will eventually do some more videos. Like I say, I'm going to go out and kind of showcase my antenna once we have a sunny day again, and we'll do some of that. So take care, and thank you for watching.